case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit heard Marathon Pipeline Company v. Drilling Rig, Rowan, ODESSA, a case centered around the right to seek full indemnity for losses caused by another party's actions or product. The dispute arose when a drilling rig owned by Rowan Companies damaged a pipeline owned by Marathon Pipeline Company. Marathon settled with Rowan, covering all repair expenses, including those resulting from a defective part used in the repairs. Rowan then pursued compensation from HydroTech, the part manufacturer, for costs associated with the defective part's failure. The court had to determine if Rowan's claim was valid and if it was submitted within the allowed time frame. The defective part in question, a set of hydrocouples sold by HydroTech to Marathon, failed just 4 days after being installed by Marathon's repair team. This failure led to significant pipeline damage and an additional $188,320 in repair costs, directly attributable to the faulty part. The court ruled that maritime law granted Rowan the right to full indemnity from HydroTech for all expenses due to the defective part's failure, finding the action was not barred by latches. As a result, the summary judgment was reversed, and the case remanded for further proceedings. Ultimately, the court held that Rowan was entitled to full indemnity from HydroTech for the expenses incurred due to the defective part's failure, reversing the district court's initial judgment and remanding the case for further proceedings in accordance with the court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.